What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. I am the Hobbyist, and today I'm going to be showing you the long battery conversion that I have done on my Arrma Granite Voltage. This is something that I got as a freebie on another RC purchase, and it was okay, but something I very quickly noticed is that the battery tray on these Arrma Granite Voltages is designed for a 2S LiPo battery pack. So you can either fit a 2S or a 6-cell nickel metal battery. I'm running brushed on this, and it's the original brush system didn't handle the 2S LiPo very long. So what I have done, let me show you here, flip it around. I have put a Traxxas brush system in here, so it's a Titan 12 turn and a XL5 brushed speed controller, and then I have 3D printed this battery tray that bolts onto the top, and this will fit a 7-cell nickel metal battery. Now the great thing about this is you get more power out of a 7-cell nickel metal battery than you will with a 6-cell, and since it's brushed, it'll also be a little bit better than a 2S LiPo. If you're running brushless, then totally go with the LiPo. But anyway, I just wanted to show you how everything worked. So if I open up this right here, you will see that I've got the ESC mounted right here and the receiver mounted right here, and then using the battery notches, I have the battery lead coming out here and the motor wires going in here. So all in all, it's a pretty good system. If you want to do this conversion yourself, I will be putting a link down below in the description to this 3D file. I custom designed it myself, and I printed it in 100% density, which means it's extremely rigid. This part broke because the printer made a mistake, but your printer shouldn't do that, and I've revised the design so that that shouldn't happen anymore. And then I've got these nice Velcro straps that I got at like Home Depot or something, and they're really handy. So anyway, that is how to do a long battery conversion on your Arrma Granite Voltage. For the ESC, just simply put it in here. I drilled 2 holes and put bolts in here, so it's actually screwed in. And then I used a little bit of 3M tape on the receiver, and it's just kind of hanging out back here as you saw. And then as some extra protection, I put in these little bits of foam, just because there is quite a bit of a gap between the posts that it's bolted onto and the top of the chassis. But either way, I've tested this and it works pretty well. For those of you that's wondering how fast this thing goes, it has an approximate speed of around 25 miles per hour with the stock gearing, which I think is pretty good for a 2-wheel drive brushed RC. I mean, this thing's kind of like a Stampede, except I would argue that it jumps better because it has the motor in front of the differential, which, you know, puts the weight further centered, and it's just going to be a whole lot less tail heavy when you're jumping it. Anyway guys, that's going to do it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment in the section below for what video you'd like to see next. And that's all for today everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.